Hello, good afternoon, sir. My name is Krishna Thapa. I am a 38 years old. I am from Sinduli, Nepal. I am a married. I have a four-member in my family. My education is SLC pass. My height 5.5 inch. My weight 69 kg. I am medical fit and fine. I have a 2 years of experience as a garbage disposal worker in Sinduli, Nepal. I can cleaning, sanitizing, loading, and empty waste bins sorting of garbage are my job responsibility. I want to come to any Europe country as a garbage disposal worker. I want to earn money and support my family, secure my future. I will stay there for the long time, maybe for 5 years. Also, I am hardworking and honest person. Mm, mm. I can work in any weather, climate. There, any outdoor work I can manage. I will complete my agreement contracts of 2 years. Also, the I will follow the company rules and policy. Thank you, sir.